Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off Safari restrictions. So what I'm going to do, let me just lower this down. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into my settings and I'm going to go ahead to the general, and then I'm going to go ahead to the software update. I'm going to make sure that my iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. Basically, if you want to remove restrictions on Safari, basically what I'm going to do, go to the settings app and then click screen time, select content and privacy restrictions, and then click web content and then select unrestricted access. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to the settings, screen time, and then what I'm going to do, scroll a little bit down, content and privacy restrictions, and I'm going to see the web content. After you scroll a little bit down right here, you might not see it right here, store web and store and Siri and game content, and basically go ahead on it, and here you're going to be able to see the web content, and as you can see, I've already set it to unrestricted. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.